Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Okay. So in the last class, we have to start from where?
Diagonal communication, ma'am.
Divyanshu Singh, what's your roll number? Divyanshu Singh.
48.
Please edit there.
Okay, ma'am. सेटिंग कहाँ पाई हम?
So we have to start off with diagonal communication, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Diagonal communication is also known as crosswise communication, है ना? एग्जाम्स पता चला डेट कब है आपकी सेशनल की?
No, ma'am.
ओके, ऑलराइट. चलिए लिखिए क्रॉसवाइज या डायगोनल कम्युनिकेशन. अच्छा, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था इसको? कोई दिक्कत किसी को कहीं पे कुछ समझने में, कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई पॉइंट, कोई वर्ड, एनीथिंग? प्लीज लेट मी नो. ओके. ओके, स्टार्ट राइटिंग. This type of communication involves this type of communication involves this type of communication involves different people different people on the same different people on the same different people different people on the same organizational or on the same organizational on the same organizational or different levels of the different levels of the organizational hierarchy different levels of the organizational hierarchy. योगेंद्र एंड ध्रुव का रोल नंबर क्या है? प्लीज टेल मी. राहुल चौरसिया, व्हाट्स योर रोल नंबर? Crosswise or diagonal communication. This type of communication involves different people on the same organizational or different levels of the organizational hierarchy. HIERARCHY, hierarchy. Written Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yogendra, what's your roll number? 7.
Ma'am,
Okay.
7.
And Rahul Chaurasia,
13, ma'am.
Rahul Chaurasia 13. Okay, Dhruv is 28. Okay, next write down. Next is, so this was basically on the basis of organization structure. हम organization का structure कैसा है? On the basis of that, communication is divided into 3 types of communication. First, we wrote about what? Tell me. First was what?
Formal communication.
Then next was,
Informal communication.
then
Diagonal communication or cross
हाँ,
wise communication.
correct. Yes. So organization के basis पे अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है तो आप ये 3 communication mention करेंगे. Formal, informal, crosswise और the diagonal communication. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. हाँ, ठीक है. Then next write down. That was C, I guess. Now D write down. A, B, C, D. Like that we are doing now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
This is D na.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down on the basis of, now we are studying now ki how you are going to express the communication. You're seeing the variations of communication. Have you ever thought of all these things? Nahi na kabhi bhi? See the variations in communication. How communication is, it's very vast and broad, this thing, topic of communication. Okay. So we are seeing the different aspects of communication, how we are expressing it in, you know, this thing, the how you're going to express it, how in the organization you're going to talk, correct? In that also we have the upward and the downward communication, how the communication is flowing, correct? Is it upward communication or is it downward communication, है ना? Then how's the organization structure, we have talked about that also. Then how many of you are participating in the communication, है ना? Intrapersonal, interpersonal, multi-adic, dyadic, association, mass communication, public communication, all that. So are you getting all these things? सब कुछ ऊपर से तो नहीं जा रहा है?
नहीं मैम, आप समझा रही, ऊपर से कैसे जाएगा?
Oh wow, Yogendra +2, you got it today. Okay, roll number 7 +2. Okay, Yogendra, happy now?
मैम प्लस टू कह के माइनस मत
नहीं, योगेंद्र अब बराबर हो गया है, ठीक है? अब नाउ यू आर ऑन द प्लस साइड, माइनस वाला सब कैंसल्ड. ओके.
इतनी खुशी.
जस्ट इमेजिन. Okay, now write down on the basis of ways of expression, how we are going to express communication.
What?
On the basis of ways of expression. On the basis of ways of expression. See, on the basis of ways of expression, the communication is classified into 6 types of communication. So first, write down written communication. Written, WRITTEN, written communication. My voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So written communication, write down. In this type of communication, in this type of communication, messages, in this type of communication, messages, messages, in this type of communication, in this type of communication, messages, in this type of communication, messages sent, 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 messages sent or, messages sent or, sent or, obtained, messages sent or, obtained through, messages sent or, obtained through, printed or, printed or, printed or, handwritten text, printed or, handwritten text, TEXT, handwritten text. I'm repeating, written communication, in this type of communication, messages sent or obtained through printed or handwritten text. Next, write down to oral communication. Oral communication. Oral communication. It may be, it may be of 2 types. It may be of 2 types. First, write down. First is audio. 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 First is audio. It refers to the, it refers to the, it refers to the movement message. It refers to the movement message for, movement message for ears, EARS, not YEARS. पूरा concept ही गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. EARS, ears. YEARS नहीं, EARS. It refers to the movement message for ears. It refers to the movement message for ears, comma, comma, while, WHILE, while the speaker is not present, the speaker is not present before the listener. The speaker is not present before the listener. The speaker is not present before the listener. It refers to the movement message for ears, comma, while the speaker is not present before the listener. Before the listener. So our class is what? What type of communication we are having right now?
Oral communication.
Oral.
ऑडियो है ना?
मैम आइडियो।
वीडियो नहीं बेटा, ऑडियो से ऑडियो 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 हाँ करेक्ट नाउ नेक्स्ट राइट डाउन second is verbal 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 it refers to the transfer of 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 message by it refers to the transfer of message by words message by words words message by words message by words comma while the listener is while the listener is while the listener is listener listener while the listener is present while the listener is present before the speaker while the listener is present before the speaker while the listener is present before the speaker so this was oral communication first was audio then second was verbal it refers to the transfer of message by words while the listener is present before the speaker okay full stop next write down third third is visual communication visual visual communication visual communication visual communication when the communication when the communication when the communication involves when the communication involves the use of when the communication involves the use of the use of the use of when the communication involves the use of more visuals and less text more visuals and less text when the communication involves more visuals and less text okay next write down audio audio visual communication audio visual communication audio visual communication when the information audio visual communication when the information when the information is obtained by when the information is obtained by when the information is obtained by the combination of when the information is obtained by the combination of pictures with voices. Pictures with voices. When the information is obtained by the combination of pictures with voices. VOICES, voices. Pictures with voices. That is audio visual communication. Audio visual communication when the information is obtained by the combination of pictures with voices. Next, write down. Fifth, non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication. This type of communication involves the use of this type of communication involves the use of this type of communication involves the use of the use of face face, comma, gestures, gesture, gestures, face, comma, gestures, comma, attire, 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 face, comma, gestures, comma, attire, comma, eyes, 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 etc., etc., for the transfer of an information, 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 for the transfer of an information. Next, last, write down no communication, no communication, no communication. It refers to the total elimination. It refers to the total elimination of the total elimination of the response of the receiver, to the message, to the message of the sender, to the message of the sender. It refers to the total elimination of the response of the receiver, to the message of the sender, sender. Full stop. The reason, the reason, the reason for this behavior could be the reason for this behavior could be the reason for this behavior could be psychological, psychological, PSY, PSY, CHOLOGICAL, psychological, psychological, comma, comma, unfavorable, unfavorable, unfavorable conditions,
Ma'am, could be after that.
could be psychological. The reason for this behavior could be psychological, comma, unfavorable conditions, unfavorable conditions, or unfavorable conditions, or unfavorable conditions, or flaws in the business deal, or flaws, 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 flaws in the business deal. Flaws in the business deal. Anybody has left anything? Should I repeat anything or something?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of attire?
Attire. Who knows
Yes,
the
ma'am.
meaning
Yes.
of attire? Who knows? Tell me, what is attire? कैसा होना चाहिए आपका attire? बताइए. Come on, tell me. Nobody knows.
मैम पहनावा.
Yes, correct. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म. आपके पहनावे से भी तो पता चलता है ना कि आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं. Yes or no? है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म. Okay. Now write down. This is over. Okay. Next heading, write down. Face to face communication. face-to-face communication. Write down merits. 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 Face-to-face communication merits. What are the merits of face-to-face communication? Please tell me. Hmm? क्या मेरिट्स हो सकते हैं जब हम सामने बातचीत करते हैं तो बताइए। कोई वो है, एडवांटेज है, इसका मेरिट है कि नहीं है? अच्छा ठीक है, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज बताती है कि आप कॉन्फिडेंट हैं। ओके, और
Ma'am, we can get the response at the same time.
ऑल राइट, ओके, एंड एनी अदर पॉइंट?
Ma'am, it will be easy to make someone understand what we are talking to them.
गुड, एंड
Ma'am, behavior.
Hmm?
Ma'am, behavior.
बिहेवियर, ओके, व्हाट एल्स? Anything else? Any other merit which face-to-face communication have? Anything coming in your mind? कुछ डिसएडवांटेज भी है फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन का? टेल मी दैट।
अरे यार, ये कहाँ स्कूल गया?
ओके, एंड सी वो तो आपके वॉइस से भी हम पता लगा सकते हैं ना कि यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट और नॉट, यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
और हाँ, करेक्ट।
मैम बिहेवियर से भी पता लगा सकते हैं मैम कि वो कैसा है।
ओके, ओके, राइट डाउन मेरिट्स। फर्स्ट पॉइंट राइट डाउन। सब एकदम सही सही बताया आप लोगों ने, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। बहुत तेज हो रहे हैं आप लोग डे बाय डे। फील कर रहे हैं कि नहीं इस चीज को? यस और नो?
यस मैम।
बेटा वो तो एक वो है, सेरेमनी है, दैट विल गो ऑन। ओके, एंजॉय दैट। हम्म, ऑल राइट, फर्स्ट राइट डाउन expressions, expressions and expressions and gestures, expressions and gestures make communication very effective, make communication very effective. Expressions and gestures make communication very effective. very effective, very suitable for discussions. Next point, write down. Very suitable for discussions. Expressions and gestures make communication very effective. Next point, very suitable for discussions. Very suitable for discussions. Now write down limitations. These were the merits. You can write down more. Next, write down limitations. Limitations. First, write down. First, unsuitable for. Unsuitable for large organizations. Unsuitable for large organizations. Unsuitable for large organizations.